Next, we're going to start our baked apple pie. So what I'm going to do is we are going to peel Granny Smith apples. So all you want to do is peel maybe 4 or 5 apples for one pie. So to slice our apples, we're just going to slice these right down the middle, so it's in 2 halves, and also so that they sit nice and flat. You don't want them rolling all over the place. Then you slice them in half again. And then I'm just going to slice this on a little 45-degree angle just to get the core out. I'll do that on all 4 pieces. And after I get that little core out, then I'll slice these into thirds, and then you have perfect little slices. I'll continue slicing all these apples until all 4 apples are sliced, and then we're going to take these apples, and we're going to bring them and put them into a glass bowl. Now we have our apples ready to go. We're going to add some sugar, nutmeg, and cinnamon, and then a little bit of brown sugar as well to this. We're going to toss it all together. So we have our sugar, we have our nutmeg, and we have our cinnamon, and we also have some brown sugar, and lastly, flour. Now all we're going to do is toss this together and put it into our baked pie shell. Now that we have everything mixed in here, we're going to put it into our pie shell, and we're going to make a streusel topping for this, which is real simple. It's just basically room temperature butter. The butter could actually be closer to cold/room temperature. You don't want it too soft, because what we're going to do is end up making some crumbles out of this. So now we have some flour, and then we can also add just a touch of this brown sugar. And we're just going to crumble this together with our spoon at first, and then we'll finish this off with our hands. And it's nice to do it with your hands because your hands are warm, so it'll help melt the butter a little bit. Now we evenly distribute the streusel topping over the pie. Make sure that it is spread out into all the little nooks and crannies. Okay, now we're going to bake this in our oven, and believe it or not, yes, we're going to bake an apple pie and bacon at the same time. So I'm going to put this in here. I'm going to explain how we can do that in a minute. So we put our apple pie in. We're going to put our bacon in right next to it. And the way this is possible is because Dacor's mesh filter eliminates any odor transfer into any of the foods that it's cooking next to. So you can cook a raw pan of bacon next to fresh apple pie, and your apple pie won't taste like bacon, which might disappoint a couple of you. So what I love about cooking in the Dacor Pure Convection Oven is that I don't have to worry about rotating any of my food. I can leave it in there. I can cook my whole meal from dinner to dessert all in one. I can close it up and I can forget about it, and dinner's ready. For more recipes just like this, visit us at app.com, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And until next time, we'll see you in the kitchen.